The award-winning master plan community of San Elijo Hills has become one of North County, San Diego's most desirable neighborhoods. This San Elijo Hills jewel is tucked away behind the gated community of Azure and has one of the largest backyards available in the neighborhood. You will love the stunning views: mountain, ocean, lagoon, and coastal views out to the Pacific Ocean. This luxury home is your own private oasis with no neighbors behind and sweeping panoramic views. This truly is a resort-style paradise in your own backyard, with a beautifully custom-designed vanishing edge saltwater pool and spa with amazing attention to detail. Gorgeous water features and outdoor lighting, panoramic view deck from the master, and custom built-in barbecue, fire pit, plus spacious patios to enjoy outdoor dining or entertaining friends and family. Located at the end of a desirable cul-de-sac, this spacious 5-bedroom plus office with 4.5 baths is a perfect mix of comfort and luxury. Step inside and see for yourself how carefully crafted this home is. The beauty of the outside matches the luxurious interior. Warm and elegant interior features include stunning rosewood hardwood flooring, wood-encased doorways, chef's gourmet kitchen with quartzite counters and a functional center island, custom paint, surround sound system, and so much more. This 4,011 square foot masterpiece is filled with designer finishes throughout. Each of the bedrooms are spacious and fitting for all ages. Cozy up by the master fireplace. Relax in the spacious master bath, or unwind out on the panoramic master view deck. Equipped with premium solar with backup system. With stunning views and privacy, this property is ready for you to build more amazing memories. Welcome to 1646 Milan Way.